In this video, we're going to go over in the Seismic window, the Kill Trace toolbar. So it's the first icon in the Seismic window. The other movies will go over the various other toolbars that are available in the Seismic window. But the very first one is the Pick Data Trace Kills. Again, these icons allow us to go to the various other types of toolbars, analysis, FK picking, etc., reverse picking, or back to the main toolbar. These reflect the kill trace. What we can do is open up kill trace files. We have options related to a kill trace, view them. So let's just go directly, and I'll scroll into a data set. If we want to kill some data, we just go into this. Effectively, you're just clicking or lines of traces. By clicking on it again, we toggle the data. If we right click, we can toggle the screens. We can kill all in the screen or unkill all the screen. So there's various ways to kill. Once we've selected some, we can view what those are, those traces. And one of the things, the default is these are actual trace sequential numbers to identify the kill. Let's just do a new. What you can do is define it based on header word. So it could be trace sequence number. So when you pick, we can see, when we look at the view, it's actually the trace sequence number that we're identifying. How this becomes important is with the default, if data starts getting removed, sequential trace number isn't going to necessarily be the same. So if you're using an input from a data file, you may want to use the defined header word trace sequence number. Here we can define a selection, so we could come here and identify some particular channels to kill if we wish, and then those would mark those killed. Complete. Once you've made some kills, so come in here, how you would apply that is we would save that. We could save that, we could apply it at this point, or we could save that to a kill file. We could save those kills to the data headers, and what it would do is mark those. We could mark the headers using the kill selection, which I went into from that icon, or we could actually apply them to the data. Generally what you want to do is apply them out to a kill file, and then in a job flow, under the trace edit, trace kills, you would input that file, and then you could mark traces by that input. So by running a flow through here, you would actually identify those traces that should be killed. They'd be marked as dead, and then processes that realize they're killed, that it won't be used in. That's a quick overview of the Kill Trace toolbar in the Seismic window display.